everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have another hair review and it's from the hair company Hot Beauty Hair. So I'm just gonna take out everything that came in this box and then I'm gonna show you guys the wig. They provided us with a cute little pouch. Inside the pouch we get a band that we could attach to the wig. We get some hairpins, 2 hair clips, tweezer, an edge brush with the comb on one side and the brush on the other side, 2 wig caps, card that contains hair tips at the back. The hair came in this bag. Are y'all seeing this? Wow, I'm so excited. Okay guys, this is the wig. Wow. Is in the color pumpkin spice. It's a 13x4 wig, 180% density. It's in the length 20 inches and it's in the texture loose wave. So if you were to purchase this wig online, this is the curl pattern that you would get. Off the bat, it's already lost a lot of its curls, so I think I might wash this hair and curl it. So we get, per usual, 2 combs at the side. We get 1 comb in the center and we get 1 comb at the back, 2 adjustable straps on this side, and we also have a neck strap here for extra security, which I really like. So that's the construction of inside. I'm gonna show you guys how the lace looks. Okay, so I would say I really like how this hairline looks already. I don't think I'm gonna go ahead and pluck anything whatsoever, but as you guys could see, it's very plucked. Very plucked. I'm not gonna do anything to it. As y'all could see, I really like this hairline. This hairline for this wig is nice. So this is how much lace you have to work with on the inside. And now I'm gonna take the powder and apply it inside the lace. Okay guys, so I just done my makeup and now let's take this down and see how well this lace is laid. Okay, all right, let's see. Ooh, it's laid pretty well. Let's see. Good job. Child. Let's take this down and then we're gonna style it, okay, y'all? I wanna do a center part. Y'all, I'm not feeling this color on me. I'm not feeling this on me. Alright, I'm gonna add some baby hairs anyway. Do it like a slip back. I think I want to do like a slip back. Okay, so I've decided I'm just gonna leave it like this, like a messy look, almost beach wavesy. Like that's the only style I could like I find would look kind of good on this. I'm gonna add a little powder. Hold on. Okay guys, so this is the final look and I really like this hair, but the thing is I'm not even sure if like a orangish color looks good on me, like per se, because I don't know, I'm not feeling this color on me. But I would say like a lot of people could pull off this color, but I don't think this is my color. I find red look really good on me, like reds looks really good on me. However, I really like how this look came out. I don't know if it's the top, I don't know the feel, but I really like how this look came out. So I'm gonna go straight into the pros and the cons of this wig. Okay, so my first pro is the color. Like I said, it's a bomb color. I just don't know how I feel about it on me. Another pro is the hair is soft, and the next pro is I experience minimal shedding. Another pro is I really like that this wig came with the two adjustable bands as well as an extra band for security. That I think that is really good. And another pro is the lace, I mean the hairline. I really liked the hairline, looks really plucked, but however when I put the wig on me it doesn't really look as plucked. Like I noticed this area here isn't as plucked because I wanted to do like a slick back, tried to do a slick back, but that wasn't looking at that natural, so I stick to this. Now let's get into the cons. Okay, so my first con is the hair did run when I washed it. And next con is I noticed the hair was frizzy when I got it. The curls that it came, it was very loose. So if you purchase it from the website, you're probably gonna get the hair looking like that, which I don't like, and because I said the hair is loose wave. Anyway, another con is I experience a lot of tangling. Okay, this hair tangles a lot, but the plus side, which is where it doesn't shed but it tangles. It tangled when I was washing it and trying to comb through it, so I don't know. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see, because this, I didn't blend it in properly here. Okay, so back to what I was saying now. So when I washed the hair, I braided it like you guys could see in 2 braids. So I just undid the braid and this is how the waves came out, but it didn't fully dry, so I don't know if that's why the top didn't really isn't as wavy as the bottom hair. So yeah, but that's basically it. I'm just gonna stand up and allow you guys to see how long this hair is on me. This is what 20 inches looks like on me, and I mean it's curled a little. So this is how long it is here. Okay, so the hair is a little past waist length and it's almost to my butt. Right, so I'm actually very shocked with how long this wig is, given that it is 20 inches. But I do know, like, hair companies some hair companies have different ways in which they measure the length of the hair. So some might measure the length of the hair from the very back to the longest length of the longest piece of hair, while others might do it from the center to the longest piece of hair. So they have different variations in which certain hair companies measure the length. So that's the only reason I could say why this 20 inches really long, because they probably measured each piece to 20 inches. So the very back is 20 inches, which I really like, so it's long. And yeah, so that's it for this hair review. Thank you Hot Beauty Hair for sending me this wig. I really enjoyed doing this hair review. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos, guys. Toodles.